Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and I have got the Toyl subscription box for March. So as always, if you're new to Toyl, which is time of your life, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. All links and everything related to this box. Plus I have a discount code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, as well as a free extra beauty treat. And that code is GEEK, and you will find that down below in the description, as well as links to the subscription box. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Toyl is a subscription box for midlife women who not only want to have monthly treats, but products that work from them, from a source that can show you how to use them. Every box is over £100 and contains skincare, makeup, body care and wellness products as well. All products are either full size or luxe travel sizes, and you are not tied into the subscription. You can cancel anytime you want. And one thing I really like about the subscription is when you see a spoiler for the following months, if you feel that that box is not for you, you just have to get in touch with Karen, who is the owner of Toyl, and she will pause your subscription for you, which I thought was brilliant. So basically she does not want you to waste your money. And if you read all the comments from people that have subscribed to the subscription box in my previous videos, you will know how much her subscribers really mean to her. So Karen is an award-winning 40+ blogger. Plus she's the author of the book Time of Your Life, which is an Amazon bestseller. And on her social media channels and website you will find blogs, podcasts and videos as well, with many of the videos interviewing people from the brands in her boxes, which I thought was a really nice personal touch as well. Toyl is also a resource for women in their midlife, so that we can look at the challenges of menopause, any health issues, sexual issues, relationship issues, body image issues, etc. So in short, Toyl are a midlife community who love their age, want to look amazing and want to make sure that our beauty regime is as kind to us as it is to the environment as well. I'm in my mid-40s, I'm going to be 45 in a couple of months time and yeah, I really like this subscription box. I'm in my perimenopausal stage at the moment for the last year and a half, maybe something like that, which isn't great. It isn't great. My periods are all over the place, hot flushes, the lot. So having a resource that fits well with my age and how I'm feeling, and also normalizing things that I'm going through as well, and I just think it's brilliant. I do think it's good, and all the products inside the boxes are tried, tested, and they're absolutely loved by the owner, Karen. It's a nice personal subscription box for us older ladies out there then, shall we say. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Links, as I said, will be listed down below. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. Oh, I forgot to say as well, towards the end of the month, if you go onto the Toyl website, you'll be able to see a spoiler for the following month's box. And if you are already a subscriber, that is when you can see whether the following month's box is for you or not, whether to cancel or pause your subscription. So I thought that was good. So this is their March box. And inside we get a little leaflet and it tells you about all the products in the box. So I'll refer to that as we go along. Some information about the little mini treat in the box. Let's open it up and show you. You're not going to see much because a few of the products are bubble wrapped, as you can tell. Okay, so going back to the leaflets then, it says just a little ray of sunshine. That's what this box is. Packed with colour, treats, glamour and brands that I know you are going to love. This month's theme is treats. I hope you love them all, as this is luxury beauty at its best. So this month's box is worth over £107. So the first item then, I can't wait to open this. I have seen a spoiler because I posted a spoiler up on my Facebook page, and yeah, look at the packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm a sucker for things like this, like all packaged cute and nice. And yeah, look. Oh, look. This is by the brand Noble Isle. And we've got 3 bubble bath and shower gels. So the first one is Tea Rose. It looks like there. I will be doing a sniff test in a minute, definitely. The next one is Willow Song, and these are all 75ml. And the next one is Rhubarb, double rhubarb. I absolutely love this scent. Oh, I love it. Okay, let me sniff this one first then. The rhubarb one. Oh, it smells like fresh rhubarb. When you've just cut it up. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, that is gorgeous. That is lovely. I should have sniffed them as I went along. But back to Willow Song. Oh, that's nice. I am useless at describing scents. I know the last one is rhubarb because it clearly says, but what is Willow Song? Floaty green florals and soothing extracts of willow and water lily. That smells like a gorgeous perfume. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. And then Tea Rose, what are you before I start sniffing you? So this is black tea and English rose petals with refreshing notes of jasmine and clary sage. No, when it mentioned rose, I was thinking, oh, I don't like rose smells. Don't like it. It has got a rosy smell, but it's like got a deeper sort of scent to it. It is nice. It is nice. I love products like this, especially as it comes in its own little presentation box. That is just, yeah, that's just won me over. Right, okay. So what can I tell you about it? So this Noble Isle Fresh and Clean Bath Trio, the recommended retail price is £20. It just says these gorgeous gift packed shower and bath gels are created from British florals and are perfect to invoke the start of spring in your own bathroom. Next we've got a super luxury sheet mask. This is by 111 Skin. This is Harley Street, London. This is a Sub-Zero Depuffing Energy facial mask. And it reduces signs of puffiness to improve skin's firmness. Cooling hydrogel base leaves skin feeling invigorated and refreshed. It just sounds so great. Encourages a toned, refined appearance. I've tried a few face masks from this brand before and they are really nice. They are really, really nice, but I haven't tried this one. This one would be perfect for if I'm having like a hot flush, which just seems to be coming on more and more at the moment. I don't like them. And I don't have them at night, which is one good thing. It's during the day. I could be just sat down doing nothing and all of a sudden, whoosh, I'm covered in sweat, especially like around my neck and everything. Oh, it's horrible. It is horrible. Yeah, Depuffing and Energy facial mask. It's got all the information on the back there on how to use it. Now these are quite pricey. I think they're probably around 20, yeah. Recommended retail price for just one mask is £20. It says this is not just any face mask. This is a Harley Street created face mask. Perfect for 20 minutes of absolute me time. Then all the other products are wrapped up in bubble wrap. First up we got a mascara by Kevyn Aucoin. And this is the Expert Mascara. You might not be able to see much there. It's got wrapping on. I'll just take that off. What's the wand like? Ooh, it's a bit of a wiggly wand. So great for really getting in at your lashes. Getting right into the roots and lifting them up, but yeah, and it's for a little bit of a curl as well. Oh, I hope that would be really nice. My lashes are, they're not very good. They're very short, they're very thin, and they don't curl. They're not very good at curling, so I am quite fussy with my mascaras, but yeah, I love trying new mascaras because you just never know, do you? So the recommended retail price for this mascara is £24. This is a luxury mascara straight out of the fashion pages. Kevyn Aucoin was an expert fashionista who created this outstanding mascara for drama. This is a full-size Nuxe Toyl Prodigies Or. I know I probably didn't say that right. And this is a multi-purpose dry oil with some shimmer for face, body and hair. And it contains 7 precious botanical oils. And we've got 50 mils here. This is the very first time I've received a full size one of these. I've received lots of little teeny mini ones in different subscription boxes over the last year or two. And it is a really nice oil. It goes onto your skin. It feels gorgeous. It's the type of product that I take on holiday with me. So with the little tiny bottles that I've had. So I would say if I'm going out for the night, I'll just put it on my shoulders, put it on the shins. Yeah, it's just a really lovely oil. It's just a massive one. A really nice big one. I'll just open it up and show you. Maybe not. And it's got a gorgeous scent to it as well. Yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, so this is your Spring Glow, and to purchase this it'll cost you £22.50. It's a soft, fragrant and packed with illumination. Women of all ages, yes you, can find a way to use this for flattering light reflection for body, hair, or as an oh so subtle highlighter on your face. Then we've got a product by Terry, and this is the mini to go. This is the mini version of the Balm to Rose, and this is the lip gloss. I'll just show you what it looks like there. I've already got one of these, so I'm going to be passing this on. I won't be trying it out in this video, but I'm going to gift it to a friend. Again, I don't like the rose smell. It's really unfortunate, isn't it? Because rosy smells seem to be in a lot of skincare, and it's just, I just don't like it. But because it's a lip product, it doesn't really bother me. It's just clear. Rosy smell. So to purchase this lip balm, it'll cost you £14, and it says Riku Campo swears by this before you apply your lipstick. In our video this month, Riku will reinvent your midlife makeup, and this little gem will be a star of the show. Next we've got an SPF, and this is one of my favourite SPFs. It is brilliant. I have got quite a few little ones, the little mini sizes like this. So when I've run out of them, I am definitely going to buy the full size. This is by Ren Clean Skincare. This is a clean screen mineral SPF 30. Mattifying face sunscreen, broad spectrum, no chemicals, UV filter and no silicones. And it's 22% zinc oxide, naturally derived, and we've got 10 mils here. So it's a little mini one. It is such a good SPF, especially if you're a sweaty Betty like me. Then yeah, it doesn't make my makeup on top sort of separate or anything like that. It is really nice. I do like it. At this size it is worth £6.40, and it says sunscreen doesn't come much more thoughtful than this. Zinc oxide is working its hardest to keep damaging UVA UVB rays off your skin with this little beauty. This spring we're applying sunscreen every day. Yeah, absolutely. And then lastly we've got a little added freebie, and this is a Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil, facial oil, and we got 4 mils here. It's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. How cute that is. Some information on the leaflet that came with the box. It said this month's treat is from headline brand Kiehl's, who would love you to try their amazing Midnight Recovery Concentrate, the UK's #1 luxury anti-aging facial oil. This is a product that works specifically overnight to give you glow by the morning. Kiehl says the hydrating formula is 99.8% naturally derived and enriched with 10 naturally derived botanicals, including olive derived squalene and evening primrose oil. And then it goes on to the back there telling you more about it, including a QR code which you can zap for more information. So yeah, so that's the last item in the box. So those are all the products. So I'll just gather them all up and give you a bit of a recap. So we got a Noble Isle bath and shower set. We've got a By Terry Balm de Rose mini lip balm or lip gloss. We got a Nuxe dry oil. We've got a Kevyn Aucoin the Expert mascara. We've got Ren Clean Skincare SPF 30. We've got a 111 Skin Harley Street London sheet mask. And lastly, an extra treat, a little sample size of the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So the cost of the box is £35, including shipping, and the value comes in at £107. I just really love the fact that this box is catered for people of my age and older. It's just wonderful to have something out there from someone that really cares and wants us to feel special and wants us to try the best products that we can. But yeah, some of the products I've tried before, like I've got the By Terry Balm de Rose, so I'm going to be gifting that to a friend. The Ren SPF, absolutely love it. I'd say it's one of my top favourite SPFs out there. So yeah, I've had it before, I've already got some, so I'm definitely keeping that for later use. The Nuxe, the dry oil, I've got little minis. I do like it. I only tend to use it though mainly when I'm on holiday, or if I'm going out for the night in the summer, you know, where I'm showing a bit more skin and I want to have a bit of a shimmery shoulder or legs, as I was saying. So it's nice to have a nice big bottle though, and that's definitely going with my perfume collection behind me. I've tried products by Noble and Isle, and I've tried sheet masks by 111 Skin as well. But yeah, overall I do think this is a really lovely box. But as always, it comes down to preference, doesn't it? What do you think of this box? What do you think of the products this month? Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to receive this box? Or are you going to pause it or even cancel? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.